اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ بچوں السلام علیکم۔ کلاس 7th سبجیکٹ سوشل سائنس۔ بچوں سوشل سائنس میں ہم اس کی یہ جو دوسری بک ہے سوشل اینڈ پولیٹیکل لائف، اس کا دوسرا چیپٹر پڑھ رہے ہیں۔ تو بچوں آج کا جو ہمارا ٹاپک ہے وہ ہے پبلک اینڈ پرائیویٹ ہیلتھ کیئر سروسز۔ تو بچوں آپ اپنی بک کا پیج نمبر 24 نکالیں گے اور بک پر دیکھیں گے۔ فرام دا ابو اسٹوری you must have understood that we can roughly divide up various healthcare facilities in two categories: A. Public health services and private health facilities. Public health services. The public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. They are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kinds of problems, from common illnesses to special services. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctors at the primary health center PHC. PHC mean primary health center. Such a center covers many villages in a rural area. At the district level is the district hospital that also supervises all the health centers. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as the one where a man was taken, and also specialized government hospitals such as the ones is Hakim Sikh stories. The health service is called public for many reasons. In order to fulfill its commitment of providing health care to all citizens, the government has established these hospitals and health centers. Also, the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. Hence, such facilities are meant for everyone.